Since students have different learning styles and multiple intelligences, the teacher must come up with blank of assessing learning. Letter A, varied ways. Letter B, both qualitative and quantitative methods. Letter C, quantified method. Or letter D, great bulk. 15 ICAs. Letter A, ang sigaw ng Team Thorndike for number 15. No? Since students have different learning styles and multiple intelligences, the teacher must come up with, dahil nga daw po iba-iba ang learning style ng ating mga estudyante at may multiple intelligences ni Howard Gardner, we have to also come up with letter A, varied ways of assessing learning. Hindi po pwedeng paper and pencil lamang, hindi po pwedeng essay ng essay lamang, hindi po pwedeng oral exam lamang. No? So, iba-iba dapat yung ating po magiging patest. Okay? When I say patest, hindi lamang paper and pencil, pwedeng performance, no? Pwedeng authentic assessment, po pwedeng pa project, di ba? So, letter A is tumpak.